Yes, guys. So sorry, friends. Light was just out. Now I'll again continue. Let me continue. So question we were doing. Yes. So this QT plus PS, the sum of the two radii of the two circles I'm taking here. What is this value? This will give us QS plus ST twice ST. This is we are given here. One ST, I'll take that. This is ST here. Twice ST, let me take. This is twice ST plus PT is equal to 48. Okay, so take one ST without this, because from first equation, this is the first equation, PT plus QS plus ST, one ST. We can write here QS plus PT, plus PT plus ST plus ST is equal to 48. This one ST, and now in place of this QS plus PT plus ST, we can substitute here this PQ from first equation, because PQ is PT plus ST plus QS. In place of this, we can put here PQ. So PQ plus ST equal to 48. So therefore PQ, in this equation, PQ plus ST is equal to 48. This ST, one ST is left over. In place of this QS plus PT plus QS plus ST is nothing but PQ. So PQ we are substituted here. Therefore PQ is equal to 48 minus ST. Now ST is given to us 4 centimeter. This is 48 minus 4, that means 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. This is 44 centimeter, let me write here. This is 48 minus 4 is equal to 44 centimeter. What we have calculated is PQ is 44 centimeter, length of PQ. One side of the triangle is known. Therefore, let me write here. Therefore, PQ is equal to 44 centimeter. This is, let me take equation number. Let me take third one. Let me take first. Okay, equation first. Similarly, we can find the other things. The other sides, because this is 10 minus 48. Why? Because this QW plus RX, sum of these two is 48 again. So QR will be equal to, similarly, let me write here. Similarly, we can find the value of QR, which is equal to 48 minus 10. Why? Because WX is 10 centimeter, equal to 38 centimeter, and PR equal to 48 minus the difference 7 is equal to 41 centimeter. 48 minus 7 is 41 centimeter. So the three sides of the triangle obtained by joining the centers of the circle are obtained. The three sides, length of the three sides, first is 44 centimeter, PQ we have taken, QR we have taken as 38 centimeter, and PR is 41 centimeter. Simple, because this QR means QX plus HW plus WR, okay, is equal to this length QR. But this QW plus RX is equal to 48, because the sum of the two radii 48. Then we write these two radius. RX is RW plus WX. Similarly, QW is QX plus XW. XW is added 2 times. Okay, so 1 time will be taken to that 48 minus WX. WX is 10, so 48 minus WX is 38 centimeter, because 48 minus 10 centimeters. So this length QR is obtained at 38 centimeters. Adding these three, this is second equation, the third equation. So from first, second, third, the perimeter of this triangle. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle PQR is equal to PQ plus QR plus PR plus PR is equal to PQ is 44 centimeter plus 38 centimeter plus 41 centimeter, all the length of the three sides. Let me write here. Therefore, adding these three, we get perimeter of the triangle PQR is equal to 44 plus 38 plus 41. Let me add them. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 3 1 carry, 1 plus 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 1 12, 123 centimeter. This is equal to 123. Again let me add 13, 3 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5 plus 3 8, 8 and 4 12. Okay, 123 centimeter. The perimeter is 123 centimeter. This is the answer here. The perimeter of this triangle PQR is 123 centimeter. Just we have added them in this way. Okay, so that is the question number 7. Let us take question number 8. What does question number 8 say? Let me check it. Question number 8. Let us now check it. Question number 8 says, what does it say? 8th question. In the figure, PR is, here is PR. Okay, PR is the diameter of the circle with center O. Angle QPS is 20. Let me draw the circle here. This is the circle here. Okay, circle. What is given to us? Now it says that the eighth question number 8. Now in the figure, PR is the diameter. Let me take PR diameter. This is P and R diameter. PR is the diameter of the circle. Okay, PR is the diameter of the circle with center O. Center O. Angle QPS. QPS. Okay, so here angle QPS. Any point here it is Q. Angle QPS this is angle QPS. Angle QPS. Okay. And the side is drawn. Okay, if I join this point center Q O, okay, at this point and the line is joined, is drawn like this. This is QS. Where this point is going. Okay, so this is going to this point here. Now this is S point, QS, okay, and this is R here, no problem, and this is O point, and then okay, and from this T point, this is T point here. T point is this. Then another point here U. This is U point U here. Okay. Now what is given to us? Okay, no problem at all. So let me take now P Q T. This is T point here. Okay, nothing else is given. No problem at all. Now let us check anything else in the figure given. Okay, PR is the diameter of the circle with center O. QPS, angle QPS, okay, is 20 degree. So this angle is 20 degree. And angle PQT, angle PQT means this angle is 30 degree. PQT angle is 30 degree. What will you find? Then find angle in the figure. We have to find out here TUR. I think TUR get in the figure given below. PR is the diameter of the circle with center O, angle QPS 20 degree and angle PQT is 30 degree. Then what is angle TUR? I think we have to find out what is angle TUR. Okay, so angle TUR find करना है. To find angle TUR, find the what is required is not written down here, but let me take this is angle STUR. We have to find out what is angle SRU or TUR. What is angle TUR? TUR. So this angle we have to find out. Okay. Angle TUR. This is the center here. No problem at all. So what is given to us? Given here in a circle. In a circle with center O. With center O. Okay. His center O as shown in the figure. Angle QPT is equal to 20 degree. Angle QPT, sorry, QPS, angle QPS. It says angle QPS is 20 degree. QPS in that triangle, okay. And angle PQT, angle PQT, and angle PQT, sorry, this is PQT, angle PQT, and this is angle PQ and T is equal to 30 degree. PQT, okay, is angle 30 degree. No problem at all. Okay, let us check. PQT is 30 degree. Then find angle. To find, if we are able to find what is this angle, so okay, we have to find out what is this angle. So in this whole triangle, if I take, okay, so from where this point has come up, TOR, no problem. Let's check, because question was not given completely, so I'll just take it later what the answer here to require and what is given for the to find angle. Either SRU. Okay, we have to find out SRU or any other angle. Let me check that what is that angle given to us. because the angle in the this is question number 8. So find angle. Let me take angle TUR or RUT. To find angle RUT, this angle we have to find out. Okay, solution. Let us take the solution here. So what about this angle? This is 50 degree. Exterior angle of a triangle equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. This is 50 degree, and this whole angle is also 50 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, and then this is okay, 50 degree angle. This angle is 50 degree. Then what is given to us? This angle is 50 degree. Now what about this angle? This angle and okay, this is vertically opposite angle. Now what about these two angles if I just calculated? Because angles in the alternate segments are equal. With this whole angle sorry figure the point is not clear that what is being asked here. Okay, so what is the question being asked? So in a circle with center O, let me take question number 9. This 8th question I'll take later because what is the question all about is not given to us. So that I'll take later. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Let me take other 4 questions. Question number 8 is not clearly given. Okay, I think what is the answer required, which angle is to be required is not clearly given. Because otherwise I could take this triangle. This whole is 50 degree, undoubtedly this is 50 degree, this is 50 degree. And if this is 50 degree, this whole angle is 50 degree, then what about this simple angle? But that is not required. Now this angle is, if I am able to find out this angle, can be calculated then. Okay, because these two radii are same, so this is also 50 degree completely. And this angle is 100 degree. Sorry, 50 plus 50, 100 is 80 degree here. So this is in triangle, this is 80 degree. If this total is 50 degree, then this is 100 degree. Therefore, this angle will be 100 degree. So this is 80 degree. In this triangle, 180 degree, and this whole triangle is given to us. This is 100 degree. Then angle subtended by. Now, if I take join this point to R, then we can take that angle made by an arc at the center is half of this. So this angle is 50 degree. Okay, we can calculate that. This is 50 degree then. This angle will be 50 degree only. Why? Because these two angles in this triangle, this is radius, O is the center. Okay, so let us take that. Let me solve it because this is required. If it is required, I mean angle RUT we have to calculate. Then we can calculate this. Not a problem at all. Chaliye. Let's do this question. What is this question all about? Let me now take it. So, angle QTS, angle QTS is equal to sum of the two interior is equal to angle QPT plus angle PQT plus angle PQT. Why? Because the exterior angle of a triangle equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. Why? Because exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay. So this angle, which is exterior angle of a triangle, let me draw here. If this is a triangle, this is exterior angle. This exterior angle, sum of these two angles. This is 1, 2, 3. So angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This exterior angle of a triangle, sum of the two opposite interior. Similarly, angle QTS, this angle is exterior angle of this triangle. So sum of 30 degree plus 20 degree. So this is equal to QPT angle is 20 degree plus angle PQT is 30 degree. This is 50 degree. Okay, so this is 50 degree. So this angle is 50 degree. Therefore, but angle PTO, the complete angle, is equal to angle QTS, vertically opposite angle, equal to 50 degree. They are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So this angle is 50 degree, complete angle 50 degree. Now in triangle, 50 degree angle, okay. Now let us take in triangle this. In triangle POT, we have OT is equal to OP, same radii. This is an isosceles triangle, same radii. So it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle OPT is equal to angle OT or PTO, equal to angle PTO. Angle PTO is 50 degree, which we have just calculated, is equal to 50 degree. So angle OPT is known. Angle OPT is also 50 degree. OPT is equal to 50 degree. It means this angle is known to us. Therefore, in triangle POT, angle POT is equal to 180 degree minus sum of these two angles, minus angle 180 degree minus angle TPO or OPT plus angle PTO. Now these two angles are 50 degree each. So 180 degree minus 50 degree within bracket plus 50 degree. These two angles are 50 degree. So sum of these two angles is 100 degree. So in triangle POT, this angle is 180 minus 100 degree. That means 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. Now this angle has come out as 80 degree. Okay, so this is 80 degree. Now what about this angle? This is 100 degree. So sum of these two angles is 180 straight angle. This is 100 degree. Now if it is 100 degree, angle subtended by a chord or by an arc at the center is twice of this angle. Therefore, but let me take but angle TUR is equal to half of angle TOR, half of angle TOR. This is 1.2 into 100 degree. This is 100 degree. This is 50 degree. Okay, so therefore angle TUR equal to 50 degree. TUR, this angle is 50 degree. This is the answer. We have to calculate. I think this is the required question here. That option was not written, but I think this is the angle we have to find out because this U was given here. So this is the answer. So angle RUT or TUR is equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. Question number 9 or 8 completed. Let me take question number 9. Now question number 9. Let us take. What is question number 9 say? Let me take it. In a circle with center O and radius R, R3, there are two parallel chords AB and CD drawn on opposite sides of the diameter such that chord AB is 4 times chord CD. Okay, chord AB is 4 times chord CD. Okay, if the distance of the chords AB and CD from the center O are PQ respectively, find CD in centimeter in CD and find CD. Which question says that AB is 4 times the CD if the distance of the chord AB and CD from the center are O, R, P and Q respectively, and CD is X units. Then find X in terms of PQ. Okay, so we have to let me find out this question. So there is a circle given to us in which two chords are given, AB and CD. Now if it is, let me take AB is this chord and CD is here, this is chord CD. Now these two chords are given from the center O, is center O here. Further, what does it say? Now in a circle with center O and the radius is small r, okay, no problem. And because this is small r, this is the radius here, and this is the radius here, small r. Okay, the radius is small r. Okay, there are two parallel chords. These two chords are parallel. Two parallel chords AB and CD drawn on opposite sides of the diameter. On opposite sides of the diameter, or the center, we can say, opposite sides of the diameter, such that the chord AB is 4 times the chord CD. Okay, so length of chord AB is equal to 4 times length of chord CD. Chord CD. If the distance of the chord AB and CD from the center O are PQ, so first is AB. So length of this distance of chord AB and chord CD. Okay, there are distance and the distance from the, if the distance of the chords AB is first P, this is P distance, and this is Q distance. Okay, PQ distance. Now CD, PQ respectively. If CD is X units, CD is X units. length of CD is SC units. Okay. Then find X in terms of P and Q. Okay. Then find X in terms of PQ. No problem at all. So it means R is also to be removed. Only in terms of PQ, these distances we have to find out. No problem at all. Let us find out. So first of all, this is axis of CD. In a circle with center O, radius R, there are two parallel chords AB and CD drawn on opposite sides of the diameter, such that chord AB is 4 times CD. Therefore, AB is equal to 4 into X, because CD is X. CD is in X units. Okay. So AB is this. CD is equal to X units. This is 4X units. No problem. What is given to us? Let us take. Here we are given a circle with center O, and radius center O and radius small r, and radius is small r. Okay. Two chords AB and CD are parallel chords and lie on opposite sides of center or diameter or the center. Diameter or center. Opposite sides of the center or diameter. It's simple. Opposite sides of, this is one side, this is the other side. Opposite sides of the diameter. Okay. Then, and length of AB is equal to 4 times CD. Is 4 times CD. AB is equal to 4 times CD. It says length of AB, chord AB, and then it says that, and chord, okay, AB and CD drawn on opposite sides of diameter.